In this video, I'm going to go over an example of what the homework looks like out of chapter 6. Okay, so this is going to be homework problem 1. 3 and 4 were assigned, so this one should be similar to what those are. So you should be able to get some ideas from that. Okay, so in this problem, it asks us to create a file of numbers. So I've just done 10 through 100 here. Notice I'm in idle. It's not a big deal at all. You can do it wherever you want. Idle's just a text editor in this sense. Then when I do a file save as, okay, I can change the format here to text files. So I can say like numbers dot find the home keys .txt. Okay, and it's not letting me do that for some reason, which is interesting. Let's see if this worked. Yeah, so it's giving me the option here that it's allowing me to use txt there. Okay, so we're there. Okay. So once I've done that, then I can go about, the program just asks us to open up that file and to read from it and print out all the stuff. Okay. So it's going to be an in file in this case, what I can call it. Okay. It's going to be an open. The name of the file I just did was numbers.txt. Okay. I'm going to open it for read mode. Okay. Got to remember to do my infile.close at the end, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. In between, got a couple of options here. If I want to do the longer way to do it, I'd say line is equal to infile.read line. Okay, then I can say while line is not equal to nothing, I can print that line. Okay, these are all numbers. So I would, if I wanted to, it's not going to matter just to print them. So let's just do it this way for now. I'm going to print the line, and then I'm going to get the line be equal to infile.read line again. Okay, so that should work. Okay, so when I run that, you see that it prints out all the numbers. Okay, note that I'm not converting them to numbers. If I needed to do that for some reason, then on this read line, I would just do an int. Okay, around both of these. And that would fix the problem. So let's show that. Shouldn't make a difference. Oh, until the last one. What did it do something at the end here? It did all of that. And then let's see what it's having an issue with. It's at this line right here. Oh, that's interesting. The issue here is that I've gone one too many, and it's getting the blank line. Okay, so that's causing trouble with that. So I guess doing it in that total manner is probably not the way to go. I would want to, when I was using it, make the conversion then. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Then the other thing we could do here with the for loop would be just to say for line in file print line. Okay, it's going to do it all too. There you go. That's got it. Okay, that's all it said to do. That displays all the numbers in the file. Okay, that's it. We're not converting them, but we could. Okay, so when we're looking at this idea of line numbers, okay, we can take this one here and let's just think about what we could be doing. So this is extra bonus homework help that if you made it this far in the file, you're going to get the bonus here. Okay, so again, I'm not doing any comments, and I should. I'm bad about it. I'm going to complain about you doing it, but go ahead and put this in here. Okay, whatever the comments are. Okay, so I can use the same file. It doesn't matter. I can use any file that I have. But this time I'm going to print out, I'm going to have to keep track of line numbers. Okay, so the first time I go into this, so when we start here, okay, my C is going to be equal to 1, let's say. So I can print here the value of C followed by a period. Let's do 2 spaces, comma. And in this case, I want to change my sep equal to nothing. So the number and the period will be right next to each other. Okay. In fact, I could do a period and then a tab. May make it look a little better. Okay. And that's number 3, should be. I can't think of anything else we got to do. Let's see if this worked. There you go. Oh, no, I didn't increase. I'm almost there. Some of you were saying, but how does it get increased? Okay, so let c plus equal 1 or c equals c plus 1 down here. That should fix it. Okay, there you go. So there's our 10 lines. Okay, and for that number, I mean, I could open anything. So let's see. What have we got here? There's q1.py from the exam that should be out there. So let's try that. q1.py. Okay. So now when I run that, it's going to put our program out there with line numbers. Okay. So that's extra help on this one. So again, we can open the file, we can do the while loop, or we can do the for loop, whatever. In both cases, I'm not converting numbers to numbers. If you need to do that, then you got to do something different. Okay. So hopefully this will be helpful to you. So let me know if you have any questions.